This video is recorded to help my students to understand the nested for loop, how to understand it, write it, and trace it. Okay, so let's see. This video is recorded in a lobby of a hotel. I couldn't find a quiet room, so might have some noise on the background. But I hope students still can watch it to get the idea. Okay, so I use such an example. Let's write a piece of code that print out the multiplication table. You know the multiplication table will be like a 1 multiply 1 equal 1, 1 multiply 2 equal 2, 1 multiply 3 equal 3, up to 9 multiply 1 is 9, 9 multiply 2 is 18, up to 9 multiply 9 is 81. Suppose that's what I wanted to do. Now, if you want to write this, you know you have 9 rows and 9 columns. So in this case, the nested for loop come to work. So the idea is I use the outer loop to print out the since I have 9 rows, right? So I need 9 loops. Each loop print out 1 row. But in each row, you will have 9 columns. So inside each loop, you need to have another loop. Each time, you will print out 1 column. Okay. So again, so first we'll have outer loop. Outer loop will be executed 9 times. Each time print out a row. Then, when you print out, how do you print out a row? Since each row have 9 columns, so you have to repeat print out those columns 9 times. So the inside loop will also be executed 9 times. Every time the outside loop goes through 1 time, the inside loop actually goes through 9 times to print out the 9 rows. So the idea we can do this. So for integer I equal 1, I less than equal to 9, I plus plus. So this is for 9 rows. That means each iteration of this loop print out 1 row. Then for each row you have 9 columns. So for integer j equal 1, j less than equal to 9, j plus plus. Now this for 9 columns. That means when I equal 1 is row 1. Okay? For this row 1, my j will go through from 1 to 9 because I equal 1, which means you want to print out row 1, which is 1 multiply 1 equal 1, 1 multiply 2 equal 2, 1 multiply 3 equal 3, up to 1 multiply 9 equal 9, right? So that's what you want to print out. So, okay. So what I'm going to do, I will see out. Okay, I want to print out 1 multiply 1. Now, which actually is I multiply j equal I multiply j. Then I need to have a space. Suppose I separate them by 3 space. Okay. Now, notice that this you trace it. How do you trace it? You trace it by this. Okay. When I equal 1. Okay. Now go inside this inside loop. Inside loop j will go through from 1 to 9. Okay. So now your I is always 1. Remember. So you will print out I multiply. Now I is 1, so we'll print out 1 multiply. Now in the double quotation marks, we'll print out it as it is. Then j is a number variable. So when j equal 1, we'll print out 1 multiply 1 equal will print out as is. Then 1 times 1 will print out the result, which is 1. So we'll print out 1 multiply 1 equal 1. Now then j increase by 1, j become 2. Then your I still not change because still in the first iteration of the outer loop. Okay, so it will print out I multiply 2 equal 2. Then j increase by 1, j becomes 3. We'll print out 1 multiply 3 equal 3. Then j increase by 1, j become 4. We'll print out 1 multiply 4 equal 4. Go on. Until those all finish, then you want to print out the next row. So you print out a new line first. Now I go to next row. Now, after I finish this, I increase I by 1. Next, I equal 2 now. So next row, I will equal 2. Then my J restart from 1 to 9. So we'll print out 2 multiply 1 equal 2. 2 multiply 2 equal 4. 2 multiply 3 equal 6. Then your J increase by 1, J become 4. 2 multiply 4 equal 8. After done this inside loop, you will print out a new line, go to next line. Then your I equal increase by 1, your I becomes 3. So then repeat this again. Okay? Now let us test writing this, execute this code. Of course, this is not nice because my part is not, let me try to, oh no. Let me do this. Okay, this is a little bit better, but still not good enough. Let me make it larger place. You will see it will print out this table. Of course, this table still not good enough is because I did not make all those line up. Now I leave this to student. You can reserve certain in longest space. You can see how long is the space you need. You reserve so much space, then print out each result. You should be able to know how to do this. Okay. Then you will print out this table nice and neat. I leave this for student to think about it. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to. Now it's a little bit challenge. How can I make this code? Okay, do this way. Haha. I lost my. Oh, I even don't know how to make this window show up. Okay, okay, now it's good. Okay, so I got this showing. Now if I wait a moment. This is what? This is no, this is a run. Why I got this? Completely mess up the recording. What happened here? Let me see. Let me stop the recording first. Pause. Okay, I guess waste a couple minutes in try to figure out how Xcode show up the correct window. But I think I already finished explain this example. So let me just stop here. If you have any more questions, please give me an email.